Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding freedom. If you think you love freedom, but you don't care if it applies to everyone, what you actually love is privilege. History has taught us education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. If we don't believe in freedom of expression for people we disagree with, dislike, or don't understand, we don't believe in it at all. As true freedom is freedom of expression for everyone without needing permission from anyone. However, these precious freedoms come with a tremendous personal responsibility, and that's to be respectful of each other. This is one price we all must pay, because without civility and common decency, society cannot function. So, let's do our best to do our part to contribute to a community where everyone is as free as we'd like to be. Enjoy the day.